welcome to another Wolftime gaming video. Today we're going to be doing a bit of an update on the Red Wolf chapter that I've been working on over the past few months. If you've been keeping up with the videos, you'll have seen I've got lots of painting videos out at the moment for all these different guys that you can see on the screen now. But first, as usual, let's get that kettle on. Okay, so let's have a look what we've got so far. So you can see here we've got a few Space Wolf characters, or Primaris characters. The guy in the middle there is from the Indomitus box, as you've seen, and the other two are from previous box sets that we've picked out. We've got the Hounds of Morkai here with the Chaplain. Loads and loads of intercessors so far. I've got the Hell Blasters here from the original Primaris box when it was released back at the start of 8th edition, and we've also got these guys as well. They were in that starter box at back of 8th, and all I've done is repainted them essentially to fit into this Red Wolf chapter that we've created. The vehicles are absolutely fantastic. I do miss the tracks a little bit actually. I'm not fully convinced by this hover tank thing that they've been doing with Games Workshop, but you know what, they look great on the table, and they really fit into this Space Wolf aesthetic when we put all the furs all over them. So I think they're looking pretty good. Same goes for that Redemptor Dread. I was a little bit in an R when it first came out. You know, have they gone too far and made it massive? But no, it's absolutely fantastic. It's really good. I mean, yes, it's a lot bigger than the Murderfang there, but it works, and you know, it looks great on the table. And the Warsuit as well. You know what? Open canopy at the front. Yes, all right, he'll get shot, but he looks brilliant on the table, and it's really fun to play with as well. The Wolfred, of course, we've got those guys, and the Blade Guard too. You know, they look great on the table. A little bit of green stuff here and there. You can see on some of the older in Marines, the Primaris Marines that we've got from the old sets, they haven't got as much fur on, because I've started to put a lot more fur on with the green stuff, because I want them to look a little bit more wolfy, you know, a little bit different. I don't want them to be those standard Primaris Marines that everybody has got on the table. I wanted them to stand out, so I've used lots and lots of different bits and pieces from Space Wolf upgrade sprues, some bits on Shapeways. You know, there's loads of stuff out there. If you do a quick search for any of these sorts of units and guys and Space Wolfy stuff, even, you know, the medieval bearded heads, 28mm medieval bearded heads work perfectly well for these. So you could go for pretty much anything you want. I've had a lot of questions asked about the Ancient at the back there, the guy on the right with the banner. He's actually an Ogre banner that I've just picked up on eBay. All you need to do is just search for the Age of Sigmar Ogres banner essentially, and he'll pop up, and he looks absolutely fantastic. Yes, I've spun it 90 degrees, which is why it looks a little bit different, and people probably aren't recognizing it, but it looks great, doesn't it? Especially when you put that transfer on there. But I think it's an absolutely fantastic looking force. I'm really pleased that these are done. I think they look great. The snow on the bases with that Valhallan blizzard, with the green stuff and all the little bits and pieces that you can just add on there to make it your own, really make this force look great. If you've got any questions about it or anything, smack them down below. I'll try and answer them as best I can. Do go and check out the other painting videos I've got as well. They go into detail about all the bits and pieces that I've added to them. They go into detail how I've got the look, why I've gone into the look as well. I will stick a link down below, but you'll see one in a second as well. I'll link the playlist at the end of this video. Make sure you do hit that subscribe button as well, because this is not the end. We are going to get lots more. Me and the boys have been talking about what vehicles to go for next, thinking about that big Astraeus tank and that sort of thing. So make sure you do subscribe and keep an eye out for any of those future videos. But otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.